Wow, there's something here. Turns out it's a red sports car. The car speeds forward at a breathtaking pace. Look, there's a toy here too. We're so lucky. It's a sprinkler truck, and it even has for wheels. That's awesome. I'm sure I've found a car. Let's see what kind it is. Wow, a white car. Awesome. It's a speeding race car. Look over here. There's a crane truck. I like this crane truck. You know what? Let me tell you, this is a fierce tiger. It's really amazing. Huh? There's a treasure here. Wow, it's a zebra. The zebra is running fast. Look, what's this? Do you know? Let me tell you, it's a cute little puppy. That's so awesome. I'm sure I've found an aircraft. Let's see what kind it is. Wow, it's a helicopter. That's awesome.